This is your quick start guide to using ELMessenger to getting those free, warm, organic leads coming to you, automated really fast. So for those who haven't got the software, let me know. I'm Rona Rivera-Rahman, your list building lady, and I am happy to give you access to the software. You don't need to give me your credit card details or anything like that. You'll be able to access it for a short period of time. If you want further help with setting up, let me know, and I will give you I can help you get one-on-one set up or health check to see if you set it up correctly. Happy to help you that way. So this is how we go. So this is assuming that you already have the software set up as an extension. If you haven't, I can share a video how you can do that as well. So in the top right section, there's a little green and black icon. That's how you can open your extension up. This usually opens a lot better when you're in Messenger or on Facebook. It opens a lot more faster because it's directly related to those different things. So this is the software here. So this is the back office. So if you wanted to go to the back office, you can either click the software over here, and there's a little option here that says back office, so you can select that. Or when you're in Messenger, there's a little option that says back office here. So there you go. I've just made it as a shortcut, so it's a lot more faster that way. So we close that. I've already got it open here. So what you want to do for a quick start, there's a little option that says framework. If you go to framework, you go export, import, and my framework. So the thing you want to do is go to import, and you should be given a code, and I'll give you that code. If you haven't got the code, let me know, and or if it doesn't work, let me know and I can give you a new code. Paste it in there, and you press import. And when you press import, it says, do you want to import the framework? You say yes. And it will start importing all the things that you need for the framework, everything that you need. Okay. This framework is to actually get buyers, buyer leads coming towards you. So let me move myself over here. So I've got loads of these tags, but you should be able to see it as buyer leads. I've got more than one or two different versions, so you'll see it in here when you go to tags, called buyer leads. So what you do when you click onto it, you will be given segments over here, so little segments with says greetings, great to connect, buy, and a little question, little heading to say that we've got friends in common or great to connect. You also should be getting a little template already for you. This is already done for you by importing that little code. So just have a quick look on templates. You can edit it if you so wish with this little pencil button. So if you go to your messenger, you can also go to that little pen button here. So you can change it if you want to. If you feel brave enough to do so, go for it. There's no problem. So you go to the little pencil button, and it had basically different variations of saying hi. If you go to great to connect, there's different versions of just saying it's great to connect with you. A few of those. You can feel free to add more. You can just add more here and then press add variant. There's further videos on that if you wish to go into that. There's also buy, and there's lots of different ways of saying buy. I've got tons and tons more. Here you don't need to actually do anything because it's all set up for you with that code. If you go to templates, it's basically put it into a little message. So if you go to pencil, you see how it's set up. There's little greetings here. It's got little friends in common thing. It's got a great to connect, and it says goodbye, and then you basically don't need to do anything. If you want, you can add a little picture or a GIF here to your message, or you can kind of add emojis, but you don't need to do anything else. And that's basically you all set up. If you want to know the actual strategy of what you need to do once you get set up, there'll be another video on how to do that. So just to recap, go to your little icon. There'll be an option that says back office. You'll get this area. You go to framework, you go to import, you paste the code into here, press import. Once it's done, you just maybe need to wait a while depending on your internet and how your internet service or whatever, and how busy it is on the extensions. You'll go to tag, and you'll be able to see your little your tag set up over here. And that's it. Simple as that. That's how you'll set it up. Bye.